just a look a fuck me no one, no, hold on, no, hold up, no kiss up, no.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. So, the news we are going on is that Intence brother keep one party located at Tivoli, it seems. So you don't know if he might keep a party in brother like Intence I go there. And you don't know the Jet Life family, so man like High Water I go there though. Is it? So me I hear say shot fire for them though. Welcome everybody, new viewers and everybody. Let's open yourself, subscribe and like if it's your first time viewing. So remember telling you what go on is like this. Was that a Intence brother keep a party located at Tivoli. Remember now, them come from tavern, Poppy inside, right? Okay, so the party did a keep at Tivoli. I don't know it already, so that party was called Young Badness. And I don't know how that goes. So Intence them music a play and all different type of music a play except Vibes Kartel and 6 music them. So I hear say yo, this is what a man go page a selector and make him know say run some Gaza and some 6. So the selector move away me I hear. So you don't know probably orders from whosoever keep the party as well, right? So me I hear say a beer shot start rings off for the man them. As me I hear say them running a crowd that so comes them not get way and mix up with the crowd. Is it so the person car where Intence brother drive that a one girl car, right? So after everything will go on them see the same car and shot it up and me I hear say Intence girl did no Intence brother girl or whosoever did that drive that car they in it as well, guys. Is it so? Man, them just be careful of what them do. You see me, music and music, and in the idea when you can't roll like certain man and then not reach a certain position yet. You see it.
Shut the boy, I run out, them stinking mouth.
Yeah, I bet you go till I see a lot of people in my last after you. Yeah, the things on the right, or if you despise.
Right, people. I'm glad you hear it for yourself. So right now, Amari and Gully Bop in a war. Them just a diss up themselves as they pray. And when they check the level, she first call up the man name and I say I name Neko in a song. But it is make sure you come on Instagram and tell the people them straight say yo a corona them come forgive you. You see me, but we not talk about that still. What we really are talk about how the man says some things in a one song and back spice, back some other dancehall artists and style. Like I man make sure explain to the people them and be direct. Him not this up. Him just attack truth about her. You see it? The dog say yo, I don't need to come mash up your life and your mouth. On top of that the dog say here we go on. Yeah, Betty good. You see pray and the man make sure tell her say no nothing about my mouth. No girl have no secret for me. But I tell you like back to hard on that one and he look like a boom boom. I push that one you feel me. See it? Amari right now the people them get tired of Amari when I go tell. You know that. You see it? Right now if me was she, but I make sure I have my plan B because the people them take time down with her. You see pray guys. But anyways, Ramadan what you video said we're here we go on. You see right now Ivan he said so bops and rob one our customer them money. Rob the girl, red-handed. You see, rob the girl blind. Cause the girl a deal with her good and a deal with business with her and she make it look like say nothing a go so when the girl come forward and talk her mind. But me make on hear what she have to say, you know, cause she show date and everything, you see it.
So I only know your page that.
All on the lava, because
All right.
Ivan, due to all Ivan the wicked and blood clot liar. One time me I come live, one time me I talk, and I'm gonna hear everything I'm gonna say what me have to say. Give me a second.
What? So Vanessa shall see now.
Alright.
To do promotion, not saying that you won't get your followers. You will get your followers then, but sometimes it might be slow. You know, sometimes it might be slow, whatever people follow if they choose to follow. Even though I can push them, try my best hard to push them, right? When you buy a page, you know, that is very active, you will have all those type of followers on it. You will have all the views. The pages that I am selling, I get 43 views on my story, my Instagram story. I get up to 43 views, 25, sometimes 20, 15,000. You understand? On the page now, I get 100K views, 200K, 1,000 comments. From 300 comments go to 1,000 comments. And I've sold pages to a lot of people. And what people always ask, if when the pages is sell, if the people gonna unfollow. No, people is not gonna unfollow. To promote it and let them stay on it. Nobody's gonna unfollow it. It's just gonna be the same. If you post
people share the life.
If you start a business on it, it's gonna be the same. And my pages, what I do, I grow them from scratch. I build them and grow them to a certain amount of followers and sell them so that I can earn and so that whoever buy the page can also earn from the business or whatever they're doing with it, right? My pages always go fast. Like now, I only have 3. I sold 4 yesterday. I sold one in 600 at K, one in 30K, a couple others, but I sell them to business people. Most people who buy them yesterday was people who are doing promotion with same way now, and people who normally do promotions with me. And it's only because of you, let me see, I would drop the prices, because I don't really drop prices, right? Because the pages, they're very active, right? Very, very active. And people always make money from them too. So because of you, I drop the prices. Because I don't drop the prices. And you have people out there that buy pages. Because yesterday I sold a page for $800 US. Alright, so let me tell you what you can do. I've been through this a lot of times. I've been through this. I help people. Some people want to buy page and they don't really know what they want to buy it for, what they want to do it for. You understand me? Help them. So when you buy the page, and I don't know what type of business means followers. The 300K followers is for $600 USD. 989K followers is for such and such. That when they say the K is for followers and the USD is the price. How you go by changing the name? Alright, hold on, I'm going to screenshot it and show you.
Alright, well, I still have more proof. I want you to share the say. Secondly, she said, me and I do business in January. I don't know I don't contact Ivan in January. So let me show you when the money's sent and when everything I can know.
Oh, God.
So the girl named Selena, right? Want to see right here, so on
Selena,
June
for a car note, please. Oh, no, Samantha. Selena, June 30th, $300.
And you see the next one, June 30th, again $300. So 300 plus 300 is equal how much? $600. All right, moving along. I said to the girl, she said, "You ready for the information?" I said, you keep asking if I'm ready and you keep blocking my page and block me on here. Girl, I'm too grown for this bullshit and I never text this bitch back. Alright. Well, hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you the little girl that wicked and lie. Hold on again. So the Selena girl here, when she I send her $300, she receive it, I screenshot it and send it to her.
Mm-hmm.
So my bank account there, when I send it, I transfer $300 of my saving, put it over here, and I send her the $300, which is $600.
Yeah.
Ivani tell me so she never get one of the $600 them. So I say, how you must get the first $600?
300, one of the 300.
Yeah. When she not get the first $300, and then you get the first $300 and you don't get the second $300, right?
Yes, because every time you send it, you showed me. Probably she haven't received. Let me go text her right back now. Because she took so long. I had to leave and go to Western Union to collect the other people's stuff because she was taking too long.
Alright, hear what me I say now. Hear what me I say. Come never come over here stuff a chit chat with nobody or Ivan. Come here grown ass woman.
Whatever.
Right.
First of all, Ivan, you walk and you thief people money and you not hide your identity. Everybody know you are fucking do business with. Because if I'm doing business with you, I know me I do business with Lava, right? So if you ever thief my money, me no must know who thief my shit. Huh?
Right.
Me don't know who thief my shit. So you walk on your Jamaica act like you're this power. You have this power eternity. You don't have no fucking power because woman without a pussy don't have no power. And
Bumbo clot.
my understanding, according to my